Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Proton VPN on Mac, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by downloading the Proton VPN application from the official Proton VPN website. Locate the downloaded file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the file to initiate the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the application. Once the installation is complete, open Proton VPN from your Applications folder. You will be prompted to log in to your Proton VPN account. If you do not have an account, click on the Sign Up option to create a new one. Enter your email address and choose a strong password. After creating your account, verify your email by clicking on the link sent to your inbox. Once verified, return to the Proton VPN application. Input your email and password to log in. Upon logging in, you may be prompted to accept the terms of service. Review the terms and click Accept to proceed. The application will then check for updates, allow it to complete this process. After the update, you will see the main interface of Proton VPN. You can choose from various server locations displayed on the screen. Select a server by clicking on it. Once selected, click the Connect button to establish a VPN connection. You will see a notification confirming that you are connected. To disconnect, simply click the Disconnect button on the main interface. Proton VPN is now fully authorized and ready for use on your Mac. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.